Contact. That is our target.
What does your training look like? I mean, is it ground-based? Is it surfing? Like, I'm just wondering, because I would think probably surfing some big waves would probably be a great kind of cross-training, balance, agility, get smashed and get pulled underneath and have to hold your breath. I mean, that's got to be a pretty good carryover.
What I really like about surfing in the off season is actually it really helps balance out my body, and because it's all of the opposite. It works all the opposite muscles that I'm not working just as a hockey player or a skater. So I mean, I'm in spinal flexion a lot when I'm skating, and so this is a lot of spinal extension and also internal rotation of the hips that you have to have when surfing. You got to keep your legs together. And when I'm skating, I have a lot of just a lot of external rotation for the hockey stride. So that's why I like that. I mean, I don't know like how much else it benefits me. I mean, definitely like the balance and stuff like that of surfing, and but a lot of my training, I really like doing weight training and power and speed training and all that.